A quick update on gold and silver, as I got some messages from trader and they want me to make a video on gold and silver, so I just want to make a quick one on that as well. So let's start with gold here. Right, so what a trade we got. If you have seen my yesterday's video and if you have took this entry right at this point, then congratulations, you have made some nice money. I've indicated yesterday that I'm expecting to see a market to hit at least this zone here. Let's go back and check quickly what I've said in my previous video so that you guys can get a grasp how to take an entry and when to take entry, what conditions we need to look at in order to take entries. Is beneficial for you so that you can able to take entries when you see this sort of conditions. Gold here you can see on 1 hour time frame is giving us a nice double bottom. I'm expecting to see a bounce from the gold from this level, and if you want to look at 4 hour time frame, we have this engulfer candle which shows a bullish pressure as well. So I'm expecting to see a gold to hit at least 1826 again. Exactly, we have a hit of 1826 successfully, even though the market pushed way up from 26 and now broken above the level of resistance, which will now likely to act as level of support. So what to expect next and when to buy and when to sell, I'm going to give you both conditions, so make sure you keep a note of it. Let's go back on 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame we are getting this reversal pattern. Market moved up, giving us a double top sort of entry. When to enter, market can still move up and give you another bearish candle. It must not close above this wick here, and you have a bearish candle right here, then there's a likely chance to see another $10 move down. And if you have a break, let's say the market didn't give us any sort of move here, and if it breaks above this green zone, which is 1845, it breaks above that, then there's a likely chance for the market to move up. Whatever the ATR is telling us, we can take long entries accordingly. As you can see, this market, this zone has acted as a major zone in the past. Let me quickly show you here as well. If you see here, this level has acted as a support here. Market moved up. If you go back further down, you can see that level has acted as a support, a minor support, and a major move from this zone and a resistance here as well. So this level is a major level, guys, so keep an eye on it. If we get a break and close above that, and we can get a retest, likely chance for the market to move up. Keep an eye on this pattern. If we get this pattern, a double top pattern on 1 hour time frame, then it's likely to see a market to push down. And what condition we need to see in order to take a buy entry? Let's go back on 4 hour time frame. So as you know, the market just recently break above the level of resistance. I normally use my Fibonacci tool to check a pullback entries. Right, so give you the zones. We have this buffer zone here. So in order to get a pullback buy entry, what I would like to see, I would like to see a hit of 1835 can go down till 1831. So this is my buffer zone. Let's say if the market retraces down and give you a red candle and then green candle, then there's a likely chances for the market to at least hit 1853. If even if you get a candle like this and you get a pin wire candle like this, then there's a likely chances for the market to at least hit 1853. It can go up to 1855. So that's a condition of buying entry. That's on 4 hour time frame. On a 4 hour time frame, guys, again, if we have a hit of this zone and get an engulfer entry, we can take long entries. And on 1 hour time frame, if you get full top move, let me show you again. The market move back up, give you an entry, red candle, then you can take your target up to 1833, from where we will look for buy conditions to take long entry again. So this is only the pullback trade you can get from this zone. It's not like a long-term trade. You can only get a pullback trade out of this zone. Market is still bullish, so we can only look for a short-term sell trade. So that was a quick one on gold. So let's go back and check silver quickly. So silver is now giving us similar sort of move. You can see a candle move up. It must not close. It must not close at 24.235. If it closes here, then we have a likely chance for the market to move up towards the next level of resistance. So if you see this move and you get an engulfer red candle or a pin bar inverted hammer, then you can take a move down at least the target to at least 23.984. That's on 1 hour time frame. That's just a pullback trade. If you want to enter sell trade in order to take buying entries, I'm expecting, right, so we already got a pullback at the zone now. This is my buffer zone. So for silver, we already have touch of the buffer zone right here. This is a perfect example of how to take pullback entry using Fibonacci. So let's say if this candle closes right here, engulf this previous candle, then we have a likely chances for the market to hit at least 24.265, and it can go up to 24.414. We already getting an entry condition for buying entries. Let's say if this candle moved down, still between this green zone, and still give you a long entry condition like a pin bar or engulfer, we can still take a long entries. The candle retraces back down below this green zone, breaks this pink zone 23.901, then the market can move further down. So that was a quick one on gold and silver. Any question, leave me a message on Instagram. I'll get back to you. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.